Guys, welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial. This is part number 4. In part number 1, we made the steps. Part number 2, we developed the pin. Part number 3, we assembled them together. And now this is the part number 4 in which we are going to make a drawing, okay, on a paper, like on a virtual paper. We are going to develop a drawing in first angle or third angle. This was one of our assignment that we have to make first angle or third angle orthographic projections showing the front, top, side views, etc. So open your assembly drawing from desktop if you have saved your file on desktop. This is the assembly drawing already open. So now I will go to the file option and I will go to this option, make drawing from part or assembly. So I will click that. Now it is giving me options of different paper size. So I'm going to select A3 paper. Sizes are given. It's fine for me. Press OK. Right. So the A3 paper is in front of me. The title block is in the bottom right corner. Now I need to go to the drawing option. Now you see that many options have changed as per the job. So now we are going to do the drawing job. That's why you are given a drawing option. Click that. You have other options from here. We will go for standard 3 view. Click that. So, and then there's the pin and steps assembly, which is already selected. From here we started. Press OK and it is going to display it on the screen. Okay, so you can also drag them around when you see the arrow in 4 directions, so you can change the position of your projections. So let's say I make them here. It is fine for me. Now after this, if I also want a isometric view, so I will go to drawing, go to this model view. Okay, so this is the option which I have to double click and bring your cursor here. So this is the isometric view shown. You can also reposition it if you want to. Okay, so the isometric view is there, and this is my front view, this is my top view, and this is my side view. And isometric view I have placed in this corner. Right, now if I see on this projections closely, I think there is something missing. It is not giving me the hidden details. The hidden lines are not visible for the pen in the front view and side view. So what I will do, select any of the projection. Let's say I select this front projection. The menu will appear here. Go down and display style. At the moment, this display style is shown with hidden lines removed. Go for this one with hidden lines visible. Click that, press OK. So now you will see the hidden lines are visible. Okay, the same you can do for this view. If you want, you can make it so it will look like this. Press OK. So my drawing projections are on the A3 sheet. Now as per my instructions, I also have to show the sectional view of the assembled object. Sectional view means you need to cut the object. We need to cut the object and show how it looked like from inside. So for that, I'm going to cut this side view, and let's see how it is done from the drawing option. This is the section view. I will press this. I will bring my section view here. Then I will press OK. This is giving me options, but I am okay with whatever I have. I will press OK. So this is the sectional view, so I will press it here. So section AA, so when you cut this object, you will see how it look like from inside. It will be like that. So what I have done, I have shown the assembly drawing, pin and steps, its front view, top view, side view, its sectional view. So what is left now? Now I have to show some dimensions. So go to the annotation, smart dimension. Okay, so minimum you have to show 4 dimensions. Okay, so you can give the height of the object, the width of the object, height of this step. Okay, you can give the height of this step is not required really, but this one you can give. You can give here, or you can give here as well. If you don't want to see, by default it is going to give you dimension of the full line, but if you want just to give dimension from this point to this point, you can do that. Just click this point when it becomes orange and then click this point, so it is going to give you 40. Similarly, you can select any 2 points and give dimensions to that. So this outer circle, which is the head of the pin, you can also give dimension for its radius, which was 35. Okay, the inner okay, now the height of the head of the pin, so the top edge you select that, and the bottom edge you select that, and it was 20. Okay, so that's how you can give dimensions. If you want, you can give more dimensions on other views, also in the isometric view, uh, but I think we have given most of the dimensions already. Okay, for the inner circle, yes, we can give dimension for that. Let's say from here, let's say I should give the radius of the pin, so I can give it from here. It is 20. So I have given some dimensions. I will press the escape button to get out of the annotation mode. Now if you want, you can give names to these views: front view, top view, side view. For that you have to go to annotation, go to this option which is for the note. So this is my top view. Just type top view. Okay, now this option is still activated, so it is going along with my cursor. So this one is my front view. Just type front view. Okay, this is my side view. I will type side view here, and this is my isometric view. Isometric view is done, and this is my sectional view, but I don't need any annotation here because it's already mentioned section. So I will press escape, and the views names are done now. Now look at the title block here. If you want, you can annotate this as well. The drawing name, whatever the name you put when you were saving the drawing, it's shown here. But if you want, you can do the further annotation here. You can put the title of the drawing. Pin and step assembly is already there. Maybe you can write your full name, and maybe your A number or M number. Okay, just to make sure that when the assessor sees this drawing, he knows it is made by you. Okay, by actually by standard you should write your name here where it is written drawn by you, checked by some other guy, approved by some other guy, and with the signature and date. This is how you have read in the drawing standards. But writing it here, it's just the only reason that it looks bigger because in the title it will look bigger. So that's the only reason to put the drawing there. So you can put your name here so that it looks bigger. So that's all. Your drawing is complete. You need to save it now. Save as pin and steps assembly drawing. Just add the word drawing so that you can differentiate it that this is the drawing file. Save it on desktop, press save, and that's all. So you are done with that. Thank you.